Okay, let's download RanGE. I put a link to their website in the description. Once you're there, click download, wait for it to load. On the left hand side here, you'll see the current version. Choose the operating system you're using. I'm using Windows, and underneath is the zip file which contains the software which you are going to download. Click on it, save it to your downloads. Once it's downloaded, go inside it, grab the release folder and put that anywhere in your PC where you want the RanGE engine to be. In this video, I'm going to put it in my desktop just for example. Afterwards, you can rename it to RanGE. Go inside it, and there is the RanGE engine. Open it. If your Windows Defender is being weird, click run anyway, and now you are in RanGE. However, it won't look like this for you. This is my custom setup. For you, it will look something like this. However, if you're going to follow my tutorials, I highly recommend you have it look something like this, since this is the workspace we'll be using to get you to make this by video 9, which is all the foundation you'll need to go on yourself to make games like this and this. By the way, and whatever you want. Soon I'll also be teaching you how to make a copy of this game. I'm editing the videos right now, and you'll be able to get early access on Patreon as I make them before I finish them all and release them all on YouTube. So subscribe to my Patreon to watch them when they release and also to support these videos. And I'll see you in the next tutorial where we'll be sorting out your user interface so you can get started.